Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Today we're going to show you some unique different folding carts. They're all different in their own little way. They all give you an opportunity to solve a problem, whatever you need, whether it's narrow, long, wide, skinny, whatever you want, we can do that. So first of all, I want to show you why we can do that. We are an aluminum fabricator extruder. So we take this billet, we heat it up, and we can shoot out the tubes. Everything you see here, we have made. So it is heavy duty, it's built to last, it will never rust on all of these carts. This cart over here is a folding cart. It's 18 inches wide by 62 inches long. The handle will fold down on top of it and it will store on in. It's got 5 3/8 inch casters and 6x2 casters in it. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how this works. It's got a handle, so it's very easy to do that. You can stand it up very easily. You've got your little latch here, and that latch is there so that way you can take that, pull it back, and put it on the back end of that. And that will hold it in place. So that way it stores out of the space so you don't have to deal with it. I'm going to move over to this one now. Same design, same concept. A little bit wider. This is a 20-inch wide cart by 55. Again, easy to load the front. You can overload it, stack it. All the casters, wheels, everything are the same. You just have the different widths and lengths. And this is a great example. You can spin this cart around. All three of these would do that in just a heartbeat. It's nothing to it. It takes no energy. Then you can turn around, fold this down like this. You can pull it up, store it on one end. Put the hook on the end of it. So it's really a clever little cart if you're looking for something that's space saving. Last but not least, this is our folding U-boat cart. This one has a handle on each side. The difference is here, you can turn around and stack goods in here and you can stack them up high if you want to. This cart is 16 by 64, 1,500 pounds. Again, what we try and do here is we've got a folding cart. Stands upright like that. You're going to pull the handle out, pull this handle down on top of it. You hook it right here, and this cart has the elongated socket on one end. This is a longer socket to hold it in place. So when you're looking for carts, you're looking for heavy-duty carts. They're going to solve your needs. We've got it. We can make it any size, shape, whatever you're looking for. Please email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com. Thank you for your time.